Most people are not out there seeking information at all, even though we're in an information age. Hi, my name's Keith Weinhold. I'm a writer at Forbes. I'm the author of the international best-selling book, 7 Money Myths That Are Killing Your Wealth Potential. I own GetRichEducation.com, and you might know my voice because I'm the longtime host of the Get Rich Education podcast. Look, most people are out there not seeking information, but merely seeking affirmation. See, information causes some discomfort for people. They don't want to disrupt the world that they're already in. Merely they want affirmation. They want to be affirmed in what they already believe, whether that's in the certain political party that they associate with, or whether it's a certain investing style that they associate with. It's so much more comfortable to stay in your comfort zone and just keep getting affirmed rather than informed. Well, what do investors typically like to affirm themselves with? Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Those things don't create any wealth, and the reason why is because you're just trying to get your money to work for you, and that's a middle-class paradigm. Instead, everyday people can adopt a wealthy paradigm and get other people's money to work for you. Now you've gone from affirmed to informed. And some people say, wait, other people's money? How do I do that? Is that even legal? Is it ethical? Yeah, it's actually both. When you provide sound housing for people, you're doing good in the world. When you put a small down payment on an income property, you're using other people's money 3 ways at the same time, in fact, with as little as a $20,000 down payment on a $100,000 property. What you're doing is you're using the tenant's money for income. When you buy a property where the monthly income exceeds the monthly expenses, you're using the government's money for very generous tax incentives, and you're using the bank's money to get into the property in the first place. You're using a loan for leverage. Now you're using other people's money 3 ways at the same time, and that's just the short story on how real estate has made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else. But a lot of people just don't want to hear about that because that's information. They need to change their old-fashioned way of thinking rather than merely being affirmed. They don't want to be informed. And you might think I'm trying to sell you something here, but I'm not. My new international best-selling book, 7 Money Myths That Are Killing Your Wealth Potential, is completely free for a limited time at GetRichEducation.com/book. And one of the myths dispelled in the book is that you think you want to get your money to work for you, and that's going to produce wealth or legacy or great returns, but I'm sorry, it's not. But I give an answer to every myth, including that you want to learn how to employ other people's money for your benefit while you're doing good in the world at the same time. Don't merely be affirmed, get informed.
71% of Americans aren't saving enough for retirement. It's going to get worse as people live longer, and you need to start thinking differently. But you can't lose your time. Real estate is the investment vehicle that's made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else. Keith Weinhold of Get Rich Education is host of one of America's top investing shows, Disrupting Wall Street. He's an international best-selling author, a writer for Rich Dad Advisors, and has been an active income property investor since 2002. He has created thousands in passive monthly income for countless followers, and now he has a free book, The 7 Principles for Creating Wealth in Your Life. Get your copy now at GetRichEducation.com/book. That's GetRichEducation.com/book. Because invest in what produces income for you now and later. Keith Weinhold is your guy. Sign up now at GetRichEducation.com/book.